Welcome, third grade. Today we are going to do the second part of our To Code. We are going to work in a new platform. So what we need to do to get started today is to make sure that everybody gets to the St. Francis Xavier Catholic School Computer Lab website here at our Weebly, and that you click on third grade. There is a short video that is going to pop up, a Vimeo, talking about what is an algorithm, and it's going to explain what it is and how to create it. And you are going to work on algorithms here on codeSpark Academy. So you please make sure that you click here to log in, and this will open up codeSpark Academy with the FOOs. It should already say school mode. If not, please raise your hand and let Mrs. BC know. But you're going to press that start button. Once you are logged in, you are going to go into your grade. And at that point, it will ask you to create an avatar. So you'll be able to pick an avatar and create a name. You can click on the dice to roll it to create a random name. Once you have your avatar and you are ready to get started, go into puzzles. We are going to start here with puzzles. Okay, it will start with Donut Detective sequencing, talking about algorithms, how to put those steps in the correct sequence or the correct order. So go ahead and press play, press number 1, and that will start your adventure with the FOOs. Make sure that you watch for the arrows and follow the directions. So you'll be moving the blocks to the correct spot. And to get them to go, you will press on their tummies. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and I will try to answer them as best as possible. Good luck.